Generations is where we ended. The next slide is meal preparation, or you might hear this called meal prep. Meal prep. But somebody has to prepare the meal. So prepare is the verb, preparation is the noun. So a big part of Thanksgiving is meal preparation. Now, in my family, because I do have a brother and a sister and a mother, we're each responsible for different parts of the meal. So my mother always cooks the turkey. And she told me this morning, I saw her this morning, she has a 22-pound turkey. So I don't know what that is in kilograms, but a 22-pound turkey, I guess, is pretty big. It will feed a whole lot of people. And we should have leftovers. We'll get to leftovers in a little bit. But a big part of Thanksgiving is preparing that meal. Meal preparation. Now, if you see my slide right here, I mean, that looks all very healthy. And in a minute, when we talk about the actual food, we will find out that Thanksgiving is actually not that healthy. Not a good time to be on a diet if you are celebrating Thanksgiving. The next slide is the star of the show. We can't forget about that. It's been mentioned a couple times. My mom will be making it. It's the turkey. The turkey is the star of the show for Thanksgiving. It is the main dish. So when I say star of the show, it comes from show business. It comes from like a movie. So just a couple days ago, I watched a movie called The Jungle Cruise. At least that's what we call it in English. And The Rock and Emily Blunt, they are the stars of that movie. So they're the main people of that movie. Yeah, for Thanksgiving dinner, the turkey. The turkey is the star of the show. So if you are 10 kilograms. That's what it is for. Thank you. Thank you, LIS. Good to see you here. Benvenuto, or benvenuta. Welcome. So I think that's a big turkey. Yeah, my mom said it's a big one this year. Yeah, I know, Marco. Don't worry about it. Nightbot needs to chill, right, Cecilia? Just Nightbot, chill out, man. Chill out. I need to get rid of him. Nightbot. Sometimes he or she helps out. Sometimes they're just a pain in the butt. That's a term you can use when something bothers you. Nightbot can be a pain in the butt. All right. Radu says a 22-pound turkey is huge. I'll find out tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram. And it's a lot easier to post quick things on Instagram. I'll post a picture of our turkey tomorrow. Yeah, Linda, I agree. It's always hard to be on a diet, isn't it? It's just, I want to try to find time to be on a diet, and then just good food just finds my plate. So it's hard. It's hard. So the star of the show is the turkey, but hang on. This is a new one. Tryptophan. Not sure if anybody knows about tryptophan, but has anybody heard that? It's probably something similar in your language if you've ever heard of it. But there is hey, Aman, how are you? Glad you can make it. Good to see you here. There is what would we call it? Not an element, but there is something in turkey called tryptophan. Okay. Apparently it's why can I not think of the English name for there's something in turkey, okay, called tryptophan. And some people think that eating turkey makes you sleepy because of the tryptophan that's in turkey. Now, I've heard both stories. I've heard that, yes, there's tryptophan in turkey, but that is not why you are sleepy after the Thanksgiving meal. You're sleepy because you've eaten so much. And so your body is losing all of its energy to try to digest the food. I don't know what to believe, but I do know often after I eat a big Thanksgiving meal, I do feel sleepy. So a lot of times after people eat that Thanksgiving meal, they will go to the couch, maybe fall asleep during the football game because of the tryptophan that is in turkey. So I thought that might be a new one for you. Tryptophan. The next one, famished. Oftentimes, I do not eat breakfast on Thanksgiving. I want to be really hungry when Thanksgiving dinner or lunch rolls around. Most of the time, we will eat Thanksgiving dinner at about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's a late lunch or an early dinner. So by the time we are ready to eat, I am really hungry. And another way to say really hungry is I am famished. I'm famished. I'm actually famished right now. Wait, what? It's an ostrich. What's an ostrich? I've never eaten ostrich. If ever, I don't think. Oh, because it's so big. Because it's so big. Oh, I gotcha. I gotcha. It took me a second. It took me a second. Oh, so it seems like Learn Italian with Song might have some young children. All right. Well, get your learning in while you can. I know it's difficult with children. I've been there before. Now, here's my favorite, the side dishes. So oftentimes, I say oftentimes a lot. I say oftentimes often. A lot of times, we'll have the turkey, but then the side dishes are the things that go along with the turkey. You might have corn. You might have potatoes. Those are very popular side dishes. You might also have rolls. Rolls. That's the bread that you have with Thanksgiving, not biscuits. We have rolls. Maybe I'll take a picture of rolls tomorrow. But my mom said that she is bringing the turkey and rolls tomorrow. So most of, like Jamie and I will be making side dishes. I think my brother and sisters will be making side dishes as well. Let's get to another couple side dishes here.